Captain's log. Stardate. 1 week ago, I had no idea what I was doing. I have commandeered a space game, built entirely by an AI, while I sat in the captain's chair pointing at things and saying, "Make it so." No prior Godot experience, no battle plan, just evenings, caffeine, and dangerous levels of confidence. Hull integrity, questionable. Cannons, operational. Crew, just me and a language model. Ships fly, things shoot each other. Something explodes, and it's usually not me. We are go for launch. Here's week 1. Every great captain needs a great ship, and every great ship starts with a blueprint and a bad idea. StarHunter is inspired by Cosmoteer and Avorion. You assemble your vessel block by block, then take it into the void to fight, scavenge, and hopefully not explode immediately. 8 block types on the manifest. Cockpit, thrusters, weapons, shields, generators, and a few more classified components. 6 material tiers, from humble iron, which will absolutely cave in under the first laser hit, all the way up to Omnite, a completely made-up space alloy that I named at 11 p.m. and stand behind fully. Every block has weight, HP, a footprint on the grid, and contributes to the ship's combat stats. 1 physics body for the whole ship, not per block. Engineering made that call, and it was the right one. Before we get into the systems, a briefing on how this ship actually got built. I have a day job. This is a side project. I know C#. That's actually why it was chosen. What I don't have is experience with game development or Godot. The experiment. Drop into an unfamiliar engine. Let AI handle the code. I give the orders. My role is captain. I describe the mission, review the results, test the systems, and redirect when things go sideways. Claude is the chief engineer. Suspiciously competent, never sleeps, doesn't complain about overtime. 1 week, evenings only. Let's review what actually made it off the shipyard floor. First system commissioned, the ship builder. You select a block type from the left panel, pick your material tier, and place it on the grid. The whole interface is built in code. No handcrafted editor layouts. Full programmatic construction. Before you get launch clearance, the system runs a pre-flight check. Cockpit present, thruster installed, power generation covering consumption. Fail any of those, and the launch button stays locked. The ship does not leave the dock half-assembled. I learned this the hard way. There's also a procurement system. Every block has a credit cost and material requirement that scales with the tier. Better materials, better stats. But the quartermaster will want rare resources in return. You can't just bolt Omnite onto everything and call it a day. Believe me, I tried. WASD to fly. Standard helm controls. Now, the engineering decision that made this all work. The entire ship is 1 physics body, not a body per block. 1 rigid body 2D for the whole vessel, with each block contributing a collision shape. Getting that right took some time and a few choice words. But the result is clean physics. No jitter, no weird block stacking, no structural collapses mid-turn. The ship moves like a ship, not like a pile of bricks held together by hope. Weapons, operational. Fire a projectile, it travels, it hits, it calls damage on whatever block it contacts. Blocks have HP and armor. Take a hit, the block darkens. The more damage it absorbs, the darker it gets. Visual battle damage. On a budget, but it works. When HP hits 0, the block is gone. Removed from the grid. Vented into space. Lose all cockpits, and the ship is dead. No cockpit, no captain, no mission. Enemy AI is currently flying straight at you and shooting. Simple, effective, annoying. Exactly what you want from an enemy. The rest of the manifest. Main menu. In-flight HUD with live ship stats. Pause menu. Difficulty presets ranging from free build to very hard. And full Polish-English localization. Because apparently, I enjoy creating extra work for myself. The crew appreciates the Polish support. The crew is me. All right, honest debrief on commanding an AI to build your game. What worked? The speed is genuinely unhinged. This would have taken me months flying solo. Claude knows Godot's quirks, signal wiring, resource serialization, physics body constraints. Give it enough context, and it makes solid architectural calls. Sometimes better than I would have. What didn't? You still have to understand what's being built. You can't just paste the output and trust the hull won't breach under pressure. I had to read the code, catch wrong assumptions, steer it back on course. Sometimes it goes off in completely the wrong direction, and you spend 30 minutes on damage control. And debugging is your job. The AI is your engineer, not your rescue shuttle. One thing that genuinely broke and cost me time. Resource properties were silently ignored. Godot 4.NET serializes C# export properties with Pascal case names in .tres files. But every example online, and Claude's first drafts, used snake_case, the GD script convention. So HP_multiplier equals 1.5 in a .tres file did absolutely nothing. No error, no warning, just 0. Stats were all reading as default values, and I had no idea why until I dug into the raw .tres text, renamed every property to HP multiplier equals 1.5, and everything came back to life. Not glamorous. Exactly the kind of thing you only learn by breaking it. Next mission objectives: asteroid fields and resource gathering, loot drops from defeated enemy ships, because victory should have spoils, a save system so your vessel actually survives between sessions, and smarter enemy AI that does more than fly directly into your guns. This is a side project, so I'm not filing a flight plan with an ETA. But I'll log another entry when there's something worth reporting. This is the first transmission I've ever broadcast. Audio might be rough. Editing is basic. I probably over-explained the physics body thing. I'll improve the production the same way I'm improving the game, by shipping it and iterating. If you want to follow the mission, subscribe. Next devlog, when week 2 is complete, drop a comment. What would you add to the ship first?